Vice President Dr. Bar Jagdeo has called on former Public Security Minister under the APNU-AFC government, Kemraj Ramjatan, and former Telecommunications Minister Kathy Hughes to present to the Elections Commission of Inquiry the evidence of the Russians attempting to tamper with the March 2020 elections. Speaking at his press conference at the Office of the President on Friday, Dr. Jagdeo recalled Ramjatan's claim that 4 Russians were in Guyana to tamper with the elections process at the Guyana Elections Commission, GECOM, and had been deported.
If he had any sense of decency, will now take that evidence, because I'm sure that the commissioners would want to hear about the Russians' involvement in our elections. So he and Cathy Hughes should present themselves before the COI and present and give to the commissioners all this evidence they have about Russians' involvement. Or if they don't do that, they should apologize to this country for the lies that they told to the people of Guyana.
Further, he challenged former Health Minister Valda Lawrence and APNU-AFC Chief Scrutineer Carl Smith-Joseph to appear before the Commission to explain how their signatures appeared on the fraudulent declaration made by Claremont Mingo, who was returning officer for Region 4. Lawrence and Joseph were charged for electoral fraud, while Mingo, Chief Elections Officer Keith Lowenfield, and Deputy Chief Elections Officer Roxanne Myers were all slapped with conspiracy to declare false accounts of votes charges. The Vice President expressed his hope that GECOM would take action against those involved in the attempt to rig the last elections. Further, he also challenged opposition leader Aubrey Norton to present to the COI the statements of poll he publicly claimed to have.
I'm hoping that Mr. Norton himself will take his appearing, disappearing statements of polls and show the commission how they won based on those statements of poll that we are told that are in his possession, but he's preserving them for a glorious day when he would reveal them in the court.
The election COI, which is currently in recess, will resume on January 4th, 2023. The Vice President believes that the findings of the Commission will form the basis for holding other individuals accountable for the events which happened during the March 2020 elections, including GECOM officials.